Okay guys, welcome back to my vlog. But today is very special because I am moving out. So this is my apartment that I've stayed for quite some time, and now we are heading to a new location, which I'm very happy for, and I would like to show you my apartment that I've stayed for like months. Heading to a new place now, so take a look. I will come back to you guys. This is the living room. As you can see, I've packed my bags. My bags are fully packed and I've arranged everywhere. This is my TV. Please look at it. It's quite a nice apartment, and yeah, I am leaving. Yeah, there's the kitchen. everything is well intact. I have the This is the bathroom. You can see me. You can see me. Yeah. And yeah, we are moving for the better, for a new job, new memories, new adventures, new every. And this is my bedroom. I had to leave it the way I saw it. So yeah, it's a 2-in-1 bed. She's beautiful. And yes, I had to leave this the way I met it. This is the wall frame. Very beautiful. And yeah, this is all it's made a lot of memories here, and I'm so happy and glad that I made some good memories. Okay guys, so this is my first time of doing a speaking vlog. All my vlogs have been silent vlogs, but I just want to share something very important, that this is the stage where we are right now. We are moving to a new place, a new location. I will give the details later, but for now I want to just follow me on this journey as I share my experiences so far and what I've learned and how I want to improve, and better ways to also do things when you see yourself in this kind of situation or circumstances. Just know that you are not alone and you're not the first person to experience it. So this is what I would be sharing in my next upcoming videos. And yeah, please stay tuned. I have a very beautiful apartment. I'm leaving it for something better, I strongly believe, because yeah, it's going to be awesome. So stay with me on this journey as we progress to a new chapter, new location, new job. Stay tuned.